Hey guys, so today I am going to meet up with a friend from Sydney. Guys, this is my friend PJ.
Hey, what's up?
I've known him for years, absolute legend.
Yeah man, same high school,
yeah,
same college.
That's it. For those of you who don't know, I grew up in Sydney, so he's come up, he's doing a music video shoot. The name of the artist is Vince Harder. You might have heard of him.
Color all your sketches, animate them until they appear and jump out in your screen like 3D. Coming faster than frisbee, popping like Disney.
But yeah, so gonna go meet up with them, take a couple of boards. They're shooting the video at the moment, so alright, time to go meet up with PJ. Bye. Down the grass we go.
Expectations so high, you wanna drive out into nowhere with the
Rightio. You can see PJ's over there shooting with Vince. Let's go say hi. Hey man. How are you? Good to see you, man. Oh yeah.
What's up, bro?
Hey man.
Vince. Thanks for coming out, man.
Oh yeah, all good. Yeah, how you guys? How's the shooting going?
Yeah, it's good, man.
Nice.
Just trying to get as much stuff as I can, for tomorrow.
Yeah.
I've got this card here. All up is like 23 shows. So we've probably got like 9 left.
So is that like a regional tour?
Yeah, regional, yeah.
Yeah, awesome, man.
Yeah, man, it's good. What's the board you got?
Yeah, let's take a look. I actually brought 2 of them.
My only dream in life was to rock a mic up in front of you spectators and rock shit.
What are they worth, these?
Brand new. They're about 2K Australian.
Oh, wow.
Cool. Filming. I just need to pop that on if that's alright.
So, just moving it. So, yeah.
Yep. So the back is, there's no reverse, it's just a brake.
Ah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So,
Oh, okay. So it's not like one big project.
nah, just little small videos.
Okay, cool. I was wondering why it was just you and him, because I was kind of expecting a bit of a crew or something.
No.
Anyway, yeah. So I think Vince has stolen the board right about now.
It's all the way down there.
He's gone.
Oh,
What do you think?
so much fun.
Yeah. So what you're riding right now is about 1/3 of the full power.
Frick, that's awesome. Damn.
But
You
yeah.
sell demo versions?
Man,
Sweet, man. That's cool. That's cool. Oh, yeah.
Sick man.
Interesting. That's awesome. The heavy ass.
never coming back again. There's enough for love to go around, so don't be down, baby. Oh baby, you'll be okay in the end.
should I try and get PJ to ride it? Alright, PJ's gonna try it.
Left. Which way do you go? Do you go that way?
Right foot.
Right foot forward? Do you?
Yeah.
Okay, sweet.
Do you go right foot?
So, alright, before you take off, put your back foot a bit further back, Is that alright?
Yeah, I guess.
Cool.
Oh man, scary as.
Alright. Now you're in the right position. Before you press accelerate, I'm going to give you a bit of a push so it's a bit easier, alright?
Alright.
So I'll tell you when to start accelerating. Okay, now give it a little bit. Make sure you lean forward. You good?
Yep.
Alright.
PJ's getting a little bit of help. Hold his hand, PJ.
Good? It's alright, yeah?
Yeah, pretty good.
Alright.
Oh man. Yeah. That's sick.
Oh god. It's a bit to get used to, but it's only like, I think it's easier than a regular skateboard once you get used to it.
Push off and keep rebalancing yourself.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, it's much easier.
And plus the wheels are massive, so it's like super smooth.
Yeah, definitely.
Put it right back?
You! Yeah.
This board's making me look like a real skater. Can you grab one, eh?
Yeah.
Appreciate it, bro.
All good, man.
Thanks, man.
So good to meet you. And yeah, I'll see you around at some point. So good to see you. Far out. Well, that was a lot of fun.